Have you ever been to a 5-speaker event and maybe there may be only one or two that actually connect with their audience? I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Today we're going to focus on attitude. What is the attitude you have when you stand in front of your audience? In the example that I mentioned in the beginning of this discussion is that those speakers that connected with their audience had an attitude of gratitude for those that are present. Your audience could be anywhere else, but they choose to be present for you because they know that you have something to give them and that you put your heart into your work. They, in turn, give you their listening ear. And if you connect with them, chances are that they will follow you wherever you speak because they know that you come with good intention. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent you were meant to be. Till tomorrow. Bye now.